Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is August the 11th, 2021. Today's video is going to be about AMC. You guys can see from my chart, you guys have read from my title and probably seen the thumbnail as to, okay, can the AMC short squeeze still happen, right? We're going to address that today on our video without any confusion. We're going to strictly look at the price. Price tells us everything we need to know. We don't have to be inundated with so much information that we have no idea as to why the price is going down. We have no idea as to where price is going to go. We're going to look at the price chart for what it is, let it give us the information, and we get in position and win, right? So if you guys want to join us, hit that like button here and also subscribe to the channel, because the content that we are creating is not confusing. It doesn't require due diligence just to get understanding as to where the market's going to go. We just simply need to see where we've been just to get an idea as to where the market is headed. So buckle in. I'm going to go over our last price prediction that we talked about in our last video in AMC, which was on August the 6th. You guys can see it right here. We played some strength into the market on our last video. We've gotten that strength, and now we need to talk. All right. So now, before I get started on all that, like I said earlier, join our community. Hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now, take a look at this article right here written from Bloomberg. Okay. Just yesterday, Chanos, he's coming out already saying that AMC's fundamentals have gotten worse and not better. He also stated that his hedge fund has a small put position in AMC representing less than 1% of its assets. So he's playing the short side. Okay. He's expecting the value of every AMC stock in the market to go down. Why? Mostly because of streaming, right? He's thinking that AMC is going to go down in value because of streaming. Okay, something has clearly changed according to him and his business based off where the price is right now in AMC. Okay, so that's one. A lot of people who cover stocks, who analyze stocks, who does a lot of the research, see AMC as being weak. Now, I know a lot of you may be AMC apes, y'all may be AMC bulls, but the news, the information that is outside of what is being garnered on YouTube is reflecting that AMC's value is too expensive, or AMC stock, right? Take a look at TipRanks. Now, TipRanks is a website that harnesses and collectively places a lot of the financial analysts' forecasts and price targets for any particular product you're interested in, right? So I went ahead and pulled up AMC. Okay, so right now, the analyst rating consensus, this is where these major hedge funds, these big financial institutions have deployed huge sums of money in researching these companies. This is where they're expecting the price to go. So this is AMC right here. Okay. 8 ratings. There's one analyst that has a buy rating on AMC. There's 4 holds and 3 sells. Now the average price target, okay, amongst everyone who placed a price target as to where they're looking for AMC to go in the next 12 months is $5.84. That is 82% downside movement from where AMC price is right now. Now that's cool, right? If AMC is overvalued, that's cool. But why would they give a price target on average of $5.84? The price is around 31 right now. So in the next 12 months, these analysts right here they are. They're predicting downside, massive downside in AMC. Ask yourself the question, if Chanos has a short position in AMC, if these analysts who cover AMC is predicting 82% movement to the downside, why would you want to come in and purchase this stock? And you all may say because the shorts haven't covered. Right, I get it. But outside of that, so many people are trying to give you so much information, so much research to try to convince you that the market price in AMC is going to continue to go higher. And you may be convinced, right? I may not convince you. This video may not convince you, but it doesn't go outside the fact that the majority of these individuals who follow AMC is looking for the market to go down, and not just go lower in price to like $20. They're looking for the price to go single digits. You have these expert firms right here: Barrington, B. Riley Financial, Bernstein, MKM Partners, Wedbush, Citigroup, Credit Suisse. A lot of these individuals are employed at some big institutions. What do they know that people on YouTube don't know? Why are they playing the bearish side in the market in AMC while the YouTube is playing the bullish side? Think about it. One thing you'll realize is that there's no friends in the market at all, right? You literally stand on your own whenever you put in a position in these stocks. You're on your own. The Ape Nation is not going to come and save you in your position. These hedge funds, these banking financial institutions right here are not going to come through and save you. They're in there to save their own self and make their own money. So you need to do the same thing. You need to be part of a sector or a community of people who's willing to assist you and see where the market price is going to go. So if that's the case, and we can clearly see that the price in AMC has been going down, right? There's no convincing you. Right now, what we're going through into the market for AMC, a lot of people are going through, is what I term hopium. Like, they're just sitting back and expecting that the market in AMC will continually go higher, or we will eventually see that short squeeze. You guys can remember, go back and listen to my video, right? I told you there was two numbers that was very important for this price to break in order for us to see a sustained movement higher, on top of us seeing the price in AMC do a short squeeze. That first number was $36, right? So it was right here. Let me show you. We said that $36 is the first area that we needed to see the price in AMC go above, right? And this is the reason why. Because we've seen back here historically, back in 2017, 2015, that area was plaguing AMC as restriction, right? And yesterday, okay, just yesterday, the market in AMC tried to break above $36 and it failed. It could not stay above $36. That confirms that that $36 price is still hard. It is still firm in stopping the price of going higher in AMC. Now, I told everyone in our community to take some profit off the market in AMC right there around 36. Okay. And that occurred yesterday. That was about 6.94% profitability right there. Did you grab it? Were you able to eat off that 6.94% that we anticipated to occur into the market in AMC on August the 3rd or August the 4th? Were you able to get that profit out the market? Because that's done. It's over. So we need to see where the price in AMC is going to go now still. And those numbers that I mentioned on our last video for AMC still stands. Price has to go above 36 and then $40. Those are the biggest numbers that we have to keep our eyes focused in on. And if this price in AMC cannot break above 36 and then 40, we're not going to go higher in price. Just keeping it real. The market in AMC is not going to go higher until definitely at 36, right? I cannot emphasize how important this restriction area is into the market in AMC. Okay. Those two areas tells us a lot of information as to why the price couldn't back then. And even today, we cannot see it break above $36. So seeing that that is the case, I'm going to take this horizontal line right here. And then we're going to use this as our restriction point. Okay. Understand, the price always gives us the information we need. We don't have to look at dark pools. We don't have to look at short entries. We don't have to look at all of this massive amount of information that is already out there. Because understand, everyone else is doing the same thing. So why would you try to do it? Why would you allow someone else to try to give you that information when they place their bias on the charts, right? Everyone's idea is already here. Whoever is interested in AMC and they put a position into the market, it is already here on the chart. So why would we want to come through and be confused and do our own due diligence? They've already done it for us. So check it out. This is what I'm seeing into the market in AMC. Okay, because I don't want to get it twisted. The price in AMC is still in an upward trend. The market is just overextended, right? It's just overvalued in the terms of where we've already been. So let me show it to you. This is where the market at AMC started that breakout move, right? So this ascending line is still applicable. We can see the price in AMC come back down to this ascending line, right? So let me circle it. This is it. This is where the price is anticipated to go in AMC. If we break $28 to the downside in AMC, then no longer is this ascending line applicable and the price in AMC is not going to go higher. Okay. I want to give you all the play. So the market breaks $28 to the downside. We can see this price come down to 26, back down here towards like 25, right? So given what have already occurred into the market since our last video in AMC and how the market got rejected at 36 and we still couldn't reach up above 40, we are still weak into the market for AMC. We can't go around it, right? We just have to be prepared as to where we're predicting the market to go. Now, in the next 1,200 years, could we see the price in AMC do a short squeeze? Yeah. If you're a long-term holder in AMC, then this video is not applicable to you. Okay. We're playing these predictions on a shorter time frame. If you're willing to hold a stock for 100 years, go have at it, right? That's your call. Go do you. But 100 years is a very long time that many people try to give you some predictions to hold a stock. That's not us. We're here to come into the market, make this money, and move on to the next play. So check this out. Seeing how the price in AMC cannot break above 36, even 40, we need to play the downside then, until we see the price break above 36 and then $40, preferably 36. If we break $36 over the rest of this trading week, then we'll have to come in and readjust our prediction. But so far, after the earnings release yesterday, and then looking at this on the 2-day time frame, we still got some weakness to play out into the market in AMC. So considering that, $36 would be the first area of restriction into the market for our prediction. The biggest area is up there towards 40. Okay. Now I've already tried to gear you up to see where I'm looking for the price in AMC to try to grab some support, and that first area is around 28. Okay, that's about 11.86% movement to the downside. Why do I say 28? Because it will give us a place that we can see this trend still be intact. Okay, and as we see this market come closer and closer to this ascending line, and we see some strength coming to the market, and we see increase in volume, that tells us that this overall market is seeing this area as a strong support area, $28. And we can see the market try to come back up, break above 36 later on throughout August, maybe into the beginning half of September. But until that time, we have to follow what price is giving us. Because as you can tell, out of everyone who's been trying to persuade you into thinking that AMC is going to do a short squeeze, the price has been doing the opposite. Ask yourself the question, why is that? If the shorts haven't covered, why is price going down? Because if the shorts haven't covered and price still go down, then literally we can see the price come all the way back down to $1.95, which I'm not saying it's going to happen. But if the shorts haven't covered, right? If that's where you're basing your claim off of, AMC is going to continue to go higher in price. You got to ask yourself the question, okay, cool. They haven't covered. So how low can we still go? Because we're clearly in a downtrend into the market in AMC. Now, based off this prediction that I'm doing here, I'm looking forward to try to grab some support around $28 first. Now, once we see this price come down here to this ascending line, we break it. Oh, we're going to go a lot lower than 28. So I just want to show everyone in our community what our expectations are now, seeing that the price in AMC got rejected at 36. And we're still anticipating the market in AMC to go lower. Okay. First area is 28. Second area will be right there where we close on this 3-day price bar, which is around like $26. Okay. That's it. It's nothing hard, nothing confusing about what is going on into the market in AMC. It is just that sometimes many people maybe have good intentions, or maybe they just want you to click on videos and so that they can increase their ad revenue while you sit holding the bag and being in some very bad positions, right? We want to make sure that we give information to people that really needs it, so that they can see it for what it is, and that they could be prepared into understanding, okay, this is how the market really is working, and this is how we need to get in position, right? So that is it right here. That's the play. We're expecting this price in AMC to give us a little bit of weakness, right? I don't want you all to be, oh, he's a troll, or he's giving us too much FUD. It's FUD this, it's FUD that. It's only FUD because it's something that you don't want to hear, right? And I get it. You're biased towards the price in AMC going higher, but from our perspective, we don't care where the price goes, because we can still win, we can still eat, even when the price goes down. And when the price does go back up, understandably, we'll be in position to eat on that one too. All right, so this is what it is. I'm going to have a link to this article, for those who want to read it. But when you look at the grand scheme of things and everyone who is covering this particular market in AMC, I don't see too many people who is bullish in AMC. The only ones that I see who is bullish are these YouTubers or these Ape Nations individuals who is trying to pump up AMC. But where the money is, they're not bullish, right? It is different from GameStop. GameStop caught those big institutions off guard, right? They was overextended in their short positions in GameStop. They're not going to get caught off guard with AMC. It's not going to happen twice. They got too much money at stake. The financial infrastructure of America is at stake. They're not going to allow that to happen again, right? So this is what we're seeing into the market in AMC. As always, you're part of our community. Drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me, where do you think the price is going to go? It's just that simple. I don't need all of those comments talking about the FUD. Oh, you're a FUD. Oh, you must work for the hedge funds. And that's not even the case. I'm here to work for our community. That's why I'm here. So drop me a comment and tell me, where do y'all see the price prediction in AMC going in the next, let's do 2 weeks. Give me your price prediction in the market for AMC for 2 weeks. Now, like I said, if you're holding AMC for 100 years, don't give me a price prediction. Okay. I'm just looking for a price prediction for 2 weeks, 2 weeks out. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.